I wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue. You know how I ride for you. Oh no girl, you don't have a clue. Wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue.
Hey boss baby, so before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join the boss club. So we're gonna be talking about these headband wigs I got. So I have one of them on, and basically I'm just gonna unbox one of them because it would be crazy to do both of them. So I'm just gonna read you like the little card that come with it. I don't even know if y'all can see this little card that comes with it, and basically it says the texture is silky, it's 18 inches, it's a natural hair color. This is size 1 because I have a smaller head, so I need to get a smaller one. And then it says cap construction is a headband wig, and the lace color is black. So as you can see, it's really nice. I really like this one. All I do is spray it with some water and comb it out. And then now I'm going to show you the other one that I got. It's a shorter wig, and it comes in this box. Myfirstwig's box. All of their wigs come in this box, so this one came in this box as well. And then inside of it you have the wig, and it's in this cute little thing right here. And inside of this it has that card that I was reading, so I guess I'll read the cards to you. This one is, the texture is yaki, it's 10 inches, natural hair color, the same size one, the headband wig, and it's in the color black. Inside of it, it also comes with wig caps, and I picked this color, but it doesn't really matter what color wig cap you got under the headband wig. And then it also comes with, inside the box, this little pouch, and inside of here are clips, bobby pins, and the comb, which I'm gonna use the comb right now. When I put that one on, I'm gonna show you how to like install it too. And this is the headband wig. I'm just throwing everything everywhere. But basically this is what it looks like outside the pack. And if you can tell, like, the texture of it is not like a silky texture. And I was gonna bring my flat iron down here, but I'm just gonna put it on like this and comb it, and then maybe I might actually flat iron it too. So we're gonna just put this one on so I can show you how to install it. So what I do is I put all of my hair in the wig cap, and then I'm just gonna pull it back like to right here, because this is where I'm gonna clip the one clip. I'm gonna clip another clip right here, and then another clip right there. And inside of the wig, like you can see, this is the top clip, this is the side clip, and this is another side clip. And then they have one at the bottom, and then they have like the headband piece. And then I'm just gonna put it on my head. So put the first one right here, and then the second one, and then the third one, and then the one in the back. Okay, and then pull the headband down, and I'm just gonna push it back a little bit. I'm gonna clip it up in the back so I can strap the headband. And what I did is just put it behind my ears. So as you can see, this is definitely gonna need some flat on it. So what I'm about to do is go run and get my flat iron and be right back. Okay, so I am back. I got my cheap flat iron and it's like on the highest setting, so I hope this don't burn it off. I really do. I hope it don't. You know what would probably work really well? That's something I don't have, y'all. Is a straightening comb. And as y'all can tell, the camera keep falling. And I'm gonna keep going. And I'm gonna try to get this down so y'all can get a full look. But it's really cute. I like it. But we gonna try to do something with this before I get off of here. I don't know why they keep falling. That's kind of making me mad that it keeps falling like that. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, so I really like this one. So the only thing that I don't like about it, because I've been wearing my other one, is I don't like the combs. The combs are like, they're sharp. I don't even know if you can see it. I cut my finger on one of the combs before, because like whoever like put them in place, I gotta show you. Like if you can see right here, like how it's coming out right there, that literally cut my finger off. Like, well, it didn't cut my finger off, it made me bleed and I didn't like it. So you got to be careful with the Myfirstwig little combs, whatever. But yes, I'm gonna make this look real cute, and I'm gonna make sure I post some pictures and stuff of me in both of these wigs. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Boss Club so you can see the rest of my videos.
I wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue. You know how I ride.